how's your day? Welcome back to Science Lesson for P3 students with me, Miss Rosa. Today, we are going to continue our lesson in Chapter 5 about materials. So, for today, we focus on the lesson C. What are the uses of materials? So, friends, are you ready for the lesson? Let's start. So friends, here you can open your pupils book page 117 until 124. So I will tell you the learning objective for this lesson. You will discuss how the properties of a material make it suitable for certain uses. I have several questions here. What will happen if we use a frying pan made of wood, like this picture? Can you tell me, friends? Right, so here, the frying pan would be burned. Or now friends, the next question, if we cross a bridge made of plastic, what would happen? Okay, right friends, so the bridge would break. So I want to highlight here, if objects are not made of suitable materials, they might not work properly. Even, it can be dangerous for us when we use it. So friends, let's discuss one by one here. So the first material is metal. What are some uses of metal? So, most types of metal are found naturally in rocks. Metal has many uses. For example, can you take a look for this picture? There's a plane and some buildings. So metal here is strong and hard. It's used to make vehicles such as the plane and construct buildings. Or the other example, friends, look at this picture. Electrical wires are usually made by copper and aluminum. And then here friends, this sheet of metal is flexible. They can be made into tins and foils. Or this one, metal is shiny. For example, the silver. So the silver here is used to make silverware. Now let's move on to the other material friends, the rubber. What are some uses of rubber? So, we know that rubber comes from rubber trees. Natural rubber is soft and not very strong. So, rubber is soft and flexible. It can be used to make elastic bands like in this picture and the hoses. Or, the other usage is rubber, when made harder and stronger, can be used to make tires like on the car here, which can take heavy loads. Or in this way, friends, can you take a look for this picture? Yes, the boots are made of rubber. So the rubber is waterproof. It is used to make boots for walking on the wet or muddy ground. Now let's talk about the ceramic. There are several types of ceramic. The common one is made from clay. Ceramics are hard and strong. That's why used as building materials, like in this wall. Or the other one, these. Ceramics are inflexible and waterproof, so used to make the bedroom fittings. How about wood? What are some uses of wood? Wood is from trees, as we know. Some types of wood are harder than others. Look at this wall. So the wood here is strong. It's used as building material and also to make furniture such as the chair or the sofa here, and then the table are made of the wood. Now the wooden surface can be made waterproof by coating them with the waterproof materials. Now let's move on to the other materials, friends. Fabric. What are some uses of fabric? So fabric is a flexible material. It can be natural or man-made. Look at this picture, friends. Do you know what is it? Yes, it is a tan. So some types of fabric are strong. They are used to make bags, pants like this, and also shoes. And then here, look at this one. Do you know? It's familiar with you, right? So the umbrella. Some types of fabric are waterproof, such as used in umbrella here. But the other types of fabric here, some types of fabric are absorbent. They are used to make the towels and also clothes that you wear. Okay, now let's discuss about the glass. What are some uses of glass? Most types of glass are man-made. Now look at this picture, friends, for the television and the camera. So most types of glass are transparent. We can see clearly through them. They are used for making TV screens and camera lenses. The window. Most types of glass are strong and waterproof. They are suitable for making windows. Now let's move on to the plastic. So here, plastic is a man-made material. There are different types of plastic and each of them has different properties. So, for example, like this one, the food wrap plastic. So the food wrap here is flexible, it's weak, and transparent. It's also waterproof. But when we compare to the plastic grocery bags here, they are strong, flexible, and waterproof. The other example is the spectacle lenses are made here by plastic. They are transparent and inflexible. Or this one. The type of plastic is used to make electric plugs, which is hard, strong, and inflexible. Now friends, let's recap what have you learned from this video. So different materials are chosen to make different objects based on their properties. So, is it clear, friends, for the explanation today?